Two men who engaged in jungle justice in 2013 were each fined $70,000 or 12 months imprisonment by the St. Elizabeth Parish Court. They are 45-year-old Roger Gillings and 38-year-old Evan Denton, both of Littitz in St. Elizabeth. It's said that both men attacked the complainant after he was accused of sexually assaulting a 13-year-old girl. They reportedly used a machete and board to beat him before cutting off his testicles. The men were charged with wounding with intent. The complainant, accused of sexually assaulting the teenager, was convicted in 2016. PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips has aimed veiled criticisms at his rival Peter Bunting. Mr. Bunting had to defend his commitment to the PNP recently after critics claimed he did not have the party's best interest at heart with the timing of his challenge. However, Mr. Bunting said during tough times for the PNP, he showed how committed he was by personally funding party activities. But for Dr. Phillips, the PNP is a movement based on sacrifice, and no one's input is to be viewed as greater.
People in the PNP will come and tell you how much them sacrifice, because everybody sacrifice. Everybody sacrifice. And a man can't say him give $50 and look how much he give. Because sometimes somebody give one and them only had $1.50. Sometimes them had nothing but them walk off them shoes, canvassing for the People's National Party. The one pair of shoes. And them not come tell you how much them sacrifice.
Dr. Phillips was addressing supporters in East Kingston, where he also hit out at those who claim he's too old to take the party forward.
Talk with people say, well, Tom too old and Mary if you go home now. Tell them, cut it out. Cut it out. Because if Tom never did it, you couldn't be here now.